with that really nicely. Dom here from Essential RC. Start again. Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. Our second video of the Eachine E190. This is a scale UH-1D RC helicopter. Nice size, nice scheme, and it comes with the features that you would expect. Has dual rates, safety switch on there on the transmitter. You've got auto landing, and it has underneath an optical flow sensor, which we have found is very useful, especially on windy days like today, autumn, winter, when you get 10-15 miles an hour of wind, and it really does help it hover more or less over the same spot and maintain the same height, the same altitude. So we use that quite a lot. It does have the ability to fly inverted. Apparently it has that on the transmitter, but I've never seen, or I don't think you will ever see, a UH-1D fly inverted. You don't normally with scale helicopters, so I won't be trying that today. But let's get it in the air, let's see how it flies. First thing we do is make sure on the transmitter that the lock switch is in the locked position, and then turn it on. And then we turn on the helicopter. You'll see we've put the smart battery in place. That is charged up with a USB lead they provide you with. We hold that down, and you can see on the indicator that you've got 4 LEDs, so that means you've got a fully charged battery. We're ready to go. All right, let's put it on the landing pad. On the transmitter, unlock, and then sticks to the outside and down position, and it will start up. Easy takeoff. Now, optical flow mode is on by default, so you can see it is hovering more or less over the same spot and coping with the wind quite well. You'll see the leaves being blown around. Now, what I also have is high and low rate, so this is in low rate mode by default, which might not be enough in this wind. It'll move around slowly, but into wind it might make it difficult to progress forwards. It's not too bad actually, that's all right. So you notice as soon as I release the sticks, it will try and come to a stop and hover over the same position. Takes a little while to do that, because it's doing it by visual pattern recognition on the ground. Okay, now let's put it in high rate mode, give us more control. Fly a little bit faster, a little bit more pitch control. And now what we've found, if you turn off optical flow, which I've done, so it will drift by itself with the wind, but I get even more control, more bank angle, more pitch angle, so I can fly around much faster. But again, I'll emphasize, this is very easy to fly. There's no chance that you're going to roll inverted like you would do with a collective pitch helicopter. Right, let's turn on optical flow, bring it back for some nice close-up shots for our cameraman. See the turbulence we're getting off the trees behind us. Just dealing with that really nicely. Okay, we've got a bit of wind coming through, it's making it even more challenging. Just another quick circuit. And we'll bring it in for landing. Kites up there, Trevor.
Oh yeah, I'll pan out.
Alright, let's bring it in for landing. I think the passengers might be complaining about that landing, but it's down and it's in one piece, so I'm not complaining. Woo! Wind! So that flew pretty well in the wind, I have to say. Pretty impressed with that. So it's nice that you've got helicopters you know that you could bring out on a windy day like today and you'd still have a lot of fun. So that's the Eachine E190, a scale UH-1D Huey RC helicopter. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Trev on camera. Be back soon on Essential RC. Bye.